Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Kami Chrome extension for PDFs. Kami is a super useful tool and lets you open, edit, highlights and draw and written PDF file directly in your browser. So let's get started. Firstly, open your browser, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now search for the Kami extension. Here you will see Kami for Google Chrome. Tap to open it and click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Once installed, you will see the Kami near the top right corner of Chrome. Here you will see. Now mark it as pin to use it easily. Now just simply click on this icon to open Kami in a new tab. So firstly you will sign into Kami. If you already signed in, you just want to create and then click on this file icon and then click on open file and select my computer. From there you can easily search for PDF. Simply open any of the PDF in the Kami browser. Now use Kami tools like I opening this assignment. Now here you will see it will is the text comment. If you want to highlight something, select the color and then highlight like this. If you want to add a comment, you can just simply add a comment. Here you will write anything like important and press enter. Now the comment will be added successfully. You can touch where you add the comment. Then drawing. If you want to draw something on the PDF, you can easily draw anything. If you remove, just press Ctrl plus Z. Also you can add shapes in the PDF, like there you will see this is an assignment. In the assignments you know that the big role of shapes or diagrams. There you will see a eraser. You can simply click on the to erase anything. And that's it. After editing your PDF, click the download button. Here you will see, click on export, then click on quick download. It will simply download your file. You can also save it directly to Google Drive if you want. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Kami Chrome extension for PDF. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Chrome extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.